Dear respected brothers and sisters, as human beings we all tend to have some sort of social company we keep. We have a certain group or community we tend to stay close to, otherwise we become isolated and socially deprived of many skills and experiences. Life is never perfect for anyone. We face many challenges throughout life, and some of these challenges are due to miscommunication amongst the people we share our life with. Whether they be our family, friends, colleagues, or even our neighbors, we all come to a stage where we feel the need to separate ourselves from someone and cut off communication with them because we feel hurt or betrayed because of something that person may have said or done. As Muslims, we have an obligation to believe and follow all the commandments given to us by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. One of many commandments given to us by him is never to break ties of relations between two Muslims, except when that Muslim is causing mischief, and upon preventing him or her, they do not abstain from that particular act or sin. There are numerous narrations. One of them is that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has said, "It is not permissible for a believer to forsake his Muslim brother for more than 3 days. If 3 days have passed, he should meet him and greet him, and if the other responds to it, they will both share the reward. But if he does not respond, he will bear his sin, and the one who has taken the initiative to greet will be absolved from the sin of forsaking one's brother in faith." In another narration, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has also said, "It is not lawful for a Muslim to desert or stop talking to his brother beyond 3 nights, the one turning one way and the other turning the other way. When they meet, the better of the two is the one who is first to greet the other." By highlighting the merit of salam, or salutation or greeting, these narrations have prescribed an easy way to resume relations. Because salam not only increases mutual love, but also paves the way for conversation and reconciliation. Since Islam is a religion based on human nature, it has a suitable concession for all its natural affairs. When there occurs a dispute between two Muslims, then unpleasantness and contraction of mind are bound to result from it. In such a situation, they naturally do not like to speak or maintain contact with each other. Islamic Sharia or Islamic law has granted permission to the party to suspend speech for a period up to 3 days, during which they should think about what led to this temporary unpleasantness and what are the solutions for this relationship. Since suspension of contact for a longer period leads to severe hatred and animosity, which also increases dissension in society, creates obstruction in family relations, and injures the bond of friendship, Muslims have been ordered not to let this temporary unpleasantness go beyond a period of 3 days. Dear respected brothers and sisters, as human beings we all tend to make mistakes. But what we should really think about is it really worth losing someone over worldly materials? Is it really worth losing someone who you have a very strong relationship with? Is it really worth losing someone because of something they made a mistake about? We should all try to rectify ourselves, and by rectifying ourselves is the solution to a peaceful society. Instead of pointing fingers towards others what they did, we should point fingers towards ourselves and think about what we did. So we should all make intention to strengthen our ties with whom our ties are weak with, even if it takes to go against our will, ego and desires. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the capability to act upon all the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and preach them to others to rectify and to have a peaceful society. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu ala al-muslimin ila yawmiddin.